Our life depends on our calming mind. Our health depends on our calming mind. Our happiness depends on our calming mind. Our capacity to make projects, to be creative, depends on our calming mind. Our good decisions depend on our calming mind. All depends on our calming mind. So the question is how to develop a calming mind. We don't calm our mind when we talk about spirituality or wellness or coaching. We calm our mind when we stop to talk, when we listen. The silence inside of us. We can say when we listen to God, when we listen a quality of peace who is not psychological but spiritual. When we listen a quality of peace grandest than our human peace. When we feel reconnected to God, to our spiritual dimension, when we feel reconnected to our soul. Our home is our soul. Our soul is our home. How to calm the mind? This is the main question of our crazy world. How to calm the mind when we are unable to calm the mind. When we are unable to listen advices or to follow a program because we are just close to burnout, because our life is too much difficult and we don't care to listen more and more tips. 1 second in God equal 1 billion tips, meditation classes. So in our program, what we do since close 10 years at Amity Foundation, with each of you, my brothers, my sisters, we go back home. We go back to our inner silence. We go back to our peace, to our inner peace, without any effort, without any exercise. As Regina said to me, this way of meditation is very simple, but very profound. I am not here to give you an exercise. I am not here to give you tips, advices. I am just here to transmit a calming energy. Because meditation is not a technique. Meditation, it's a transmission of energy. We transmute the peace of our mind. How is your mind? How is made our mind? Our mind comes from the sky. When I say that, it's not a poetic vision, it's a reality. Our brain is made of the same particles that we can find in the sky, in the universe, the same elements, the same sort of atom. In any galaxy, we find the same atom that we have in our body, in our brain, in our mind. So we are made of sky. We come from the sky and we go back to the sky. When we give our last breath, we go back. Our energy goes back to the sky. So during this lifetime, very short, we can experiment the sky. We are born to use this lifetime to feel what will never die. The peace of the universe, the eternity, the sky inside of us. Let's meditate like a sky. I snap 3 times and just we close our eyes. We are sitting down in a comfortable position and we see our mind. Our mind is like a sky. Our mind is made with the same atoms that we can find in the sky. And in the sky of our mind, we can see sometimes some clouds. The clouds, this is the evaporation of the water. The clouds, this is a metaphor of our emotions. Our emotions are the evaporation of our thoughts. So we see our emotion like clouds in the sky of our mind. We cannot stop the clouds. We cannot stop our emotions, but we can dissolve our emotions like the wind dissolves the clouds in the sky. Let's use the power of the visualization. You see your mind. Your mind is like a sky. And you can observe clouds in our mind. Clouds like emotions in the sky of our mind. An emotion, it's like a sky, like a cloud in the sky. Let's breathe in like a wind, and when we will exhale, we will dissolve our emotions. Like the wind dissolves the clouds in the sky. Let's practice together. You see your mind. Your mind is like a sky. You see some clouds, some emotions in the sky of your mind. And we breathe in together like the wind, and we dissolve the clouds. You feel immediately our mind is clear, calm, we dissolve the clouds of our emotions. When we breathe in like a wind, when we exhale like a wind, it's not only a visualization, it's a reality. When we breathe in the oxygen in this room, in your room, and the oxygen around your room, above your room, the oxygen, the wind from the universe, from the sky. So when we dissolve our emotion with the wind, this is a reality. Like when the wind dissolves the clouds in the sky. Let's practice again. You see your mind. Your mind is like a sky. And in this sky, you can see many clouds, big clouds, big dark clouds, like big negative emotions that we have received, that we have breathed in. These clouds, these dark clouds, they stay in our mind, in our subconscious. Most of time, when we have dark emotions, we try to analyze where come from the dark emotions. Maybe our family, our ancestors, past lives. It's infinite. It's the same question if you ask, where come from the clouds? They come from nowhere. And they go to nowhere. They are just a fluid, an energy. Our emotions are just like clouds. They are moving all the time. They come from nowhere. They go to nowhere. But when we calm the mind, when we dissolve mentally our emotions, we feel better immediately. We clean our mind. Let's do it again. We visualize our mind. We see many clouds in our mind. We breathe in like wind. Dissolve the cloud. Again. You see some clouds in your mind. You breathe in like a wind. And we dissolve the clouds. And immediately our mind is more pure, no emotions, no clouds. You feel the peace of your mind. It's amazing. And we stay like that with our pure sky. 1 second. Two seconds. Three. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. You feel the peace of your mind. We calm our mind when we stop to talk and to talk and to talk, because each talk creates many clouds in our mind. We calm our mind when we dissolve our emotions, when we meditate like a sky. We become the sky. And in the sky, we can listen some melodies from the cosmos. When we meditate like a sky, we become the sky. And we open our eyes. When we dissolve our emotions, we calm the mind.